And you're just going to trim all this hair. Straight across cut with the CreaClip. First, when you're doing the straight across cut, you want to make sure your daughter or your model is chin tucked down. And then you're going to gather all the hair. Comb out any knots and tangles. Gather all the hair back. Clip the CreaClip in like this. Make sure it's balanced on both sides. Make sure the level's in the middle. And then you're just going to slide it down and trim the hair. Today I'm going to use the trimmer to cut. And you're just going to trim all this hair. Beneath the CreaClip. It created a straight haircut. Straight across haircut with the CreaClip. For more haircuts, please subscribe.